Your team is working harder than ever, and projects are still running late. Deadlines get missed, tasks fall through the cracks, and you're spending half your working day chasing updates instead of actually growing your business. Here is what nobody tells you. The problem is usually not your team. It is how the work itself is being managed. And in 2026, there is a significantly better way to handle it. Hey, welcome back. I'm Ray, and today we're covering how AI project management tools are giving small businesses a genuine and compounding productivity advantage, and how you can start capturing that advantage without overhauling your entire operation or hiring a single additional person. The data tells an unambiguous story. According to the Association for Project Management, AI adoption among professional teams jumped from 36% in 2023 to 70% in 2025, nearly doubled in 2 years. Gartner predicts that by 2030, 80% of routine project management tasks will be handled by intelligent systems. This is not a future trend you can afford to watch from a distance. The businesses adapting right now are building a compounding efficiency advantage, and that gap widens every single quarter. For a small business owner, AI project management means removing the manual overhead that slows everything down without requiring technical expertise to set up or maintain. Think of it as a digital co-pilot that tracks task progress, flags risks before they become problems, allocates resources based on real team capacity rather than guesswork, and generates status updates automatically so nobody wastes time chasing progress reports from people who are already stretched. The first area where results appear immediately is task automation. In most small businesses, a significant portion of every working week is consumed by tasks that repeat without variation: scheduling, deadline reminders, status updates, client follow-up sequences, file organization. These are not high-value activities. They consume hours that should be directed toward client work, strategy, and actual business growth. AI tools like ClickUp AI, Motion, and Monday's AI features handle these tasks autonomously from day one. The time savings are immediate, measurable, and they compound week after week. Real-time visibility solves the most common cause of missed deadlines. The problem is that nobody has an accurate picture of where everything actually stands until it is already too late to course correct. Traditional project management relies on manual updates, which means the picture you're working from is always out of date. AI-driven project tools update in real time, flag at-risk milestones the moment they appear, and surface bottlenecks before they compound into full crises. A 2023 ZenHub survey found that 72% of professional teams were actively looking for tools to solve exactly this problem. Chances are your team feels it too. Risk prediction is where AI genuinely earns its place in your business. By analyzing patterns in historical project data, these tools identify early warning signs that a current project is heading off track before the deadline arrives and the damage is done. They recommend resource reallocation, flag scope creep before it compounds, and suggest timeline adjustments based on what your team can actually handle. This moves your entire operation from permanently reactive to genuinely proactive. That shift alone changes how your business feels to run on a daily basis. Decision support is the final piece. Small business owners make dozens of decisions daily, often with incomplete information and everything competing for attention at once. AI project dashboards aggregate task data, team performance metrics, and workload distribution into a single clear view that surfaces what actually needs your attention right now. Better information leads to faster, more confident decisions with significantly less cognitive load on you personally every single day. Here is how to start without disruption. Pick one process: your client onboarding workflow, your content production schedule, or your monthly reporting cycle, and automate it this week. Measure the hours saved in the first 30 days. Then add another process. 3 to 5 automated workflows across your business create significant capacity gains within 90 days, without a single new hire and without disrupting anything already working. The full article covers specific tool recommendations, workflow frameworks, and a complete step-by-step implementation guide for any team size or technical level. Practical templates you can put to work immediately. The link is directly below. Share this with a business owner still managing projects on spreadsheets and gut instinct. Subscribe for weekly practical AI and business growth content. Keep learning.